Hello, this is Gary at Jack Raven Bushcraft. Thank you for watching our video. This week I'm going to give you my long-range weather forecast. Oak before ash, in for a splash. Ash before oak, in for a soak. So one of many kind of folklore sayings that are out there that predict the weather. So I'll just give you that one again. So oak before ash, in for a splash. Ash before oak, in for a soak. So what does that mean? So it's referring to when the trees, when the ash and the oak come out, when they come into leaf, I should say. So when the leaves come out in relation to each other. So which one comes out first? So this year, and there is a beautiful oak right behind me. So this is the corner of our woodland. Those of you that have been here will recognise it. So this is a beautiful tree right on the field corner, the woodland corner, and it is definitely in leaf before the ash. So this year the oak has come into leaf before the ash has come into leaf. So oak before ash, in for a splash. So what that's saying is that we'll get some rain, but it's not going to be very much. If it was the other way around, so ash before oak, in for a soak, well, that's when we're in for a bit of a wet spring and summer. But if our oak here is anything to go by, this year we're going to have a relatively dry summer. So I hope that's of use to you, something that you can remember, tell other people maybe. I will endeavour to get some more content out next week. You can watch it either on our YouTube channel or on our blog, both of which are Jack Raven Bushcraft. In the meantime, take care.